Hey guys, we got a westbound train. I did not quite hear the symbol. And here it comes. 4 engines. Ooh, okay, something cool. E73 something 08. For those truck lovers who like trucks, yeah, big rigs, pickup trucks, any kind of truck, Chevys, GMCs, Fords. They're all good trucks. So everybody has their own liking. There you go, guys. There's a Ford Dooley for the Ford lovers. So one thing I don't understand is for the Ford, file animal dead, or file on race day. Either way, however you guys want to look at it. But my question is, why Ford is always in the shop? They have other trucks, it's not. I don't get it. I really don't get it. I'm trying to learn the best I can. Granted, like Ford, I do like Ford trucks. No, I do admit that. I do like Ford, I like Dodges, I like Chevys, GMCs, Toyotas. They're all good trucks, all of them are. But everybody has their own like. I mean, what's the DDs?
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 536. End of transmission.
Okay. Dang it, I didn't get that one. Okay, I didn't get that at all. But also here's a for the Chevy truck loves. This is a Chevy truck for you guys. For your Chevy guys. And a Dodge Ram for your Dodge lovers. And I saw that Ford Super Duty for the Ford guys. So, for you guys. Alright, see you guys maybe in the next one.